Hi, welcome to Creative Person Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to change QR code color in Photoshop very easily. This is a high resolution QR code image. Now I'm going to change this QR code color. This is a black and white QR code image. First, go to Photoshop and create a page. I'm going to take 4x4" page. You can take lower or a little bit higher based on your photo resolution. Now select and drag the photo and release on Photoshop. Okay, that matches very well. Click on right. Okay, now go to create a new layer. Okay. Then choose color from color table. Okay. Then color the layer by pressing Alt plus backspace for foreground color. Okay. Now click on here and change the option. Now you can see the color has been changed. Okay, this is a very easy way. Without any difficulty, you can get the color very easily. And if you want to color a specific zone, then follow this method. Click on the layer and select quick selection tool. Okay, now press on the zone where you wish to color, then press Alt plus backspace or Alt plus backspace for foreground color and Control plus backspace for background color. Okay, done. Now go to export option and export as. You can export the image JPG or PNG format. Choose the format which you want. Okay, I'm going to export as JPG. Select the location and click save. Okay, it's done. Okay, this is the exported one. Please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.